Welcome to the MyOn homepage. To get started, please make sure you have entered MyOn.com in the URL bar up above here. Then click on the red Login Now button. To find your school name here in this box, click on the word Change so that you can start typing the first few letters of your school's name. Select your school name and fill in the username and password boxes with the username and password given to you by your teacher. Click on Sign In when you are done. The next screen is your My Interests page. What do you like to read? Select books that are in English, Spanish, or bilingual by checking in the box. And then select the faces that represent how much you like to read fiction and nonfiction. If you'd like to hear the category spoken to you, click on the green speaker button.
Graphic novels and cartoons.
When you are done filling out the interests categories, please make sure you click on the green Save button at the bottom. The next set of questions is a placement test to measure your reading ability. This placement test is up to 35 questions or 25 minutes maximum, whichever comes first. Read the short passage and answer the question as best as you can. Click on the Save button when you are done. Once you've completed all 35 questions or 25 minutes of the placement test and your reading interest survey, MyOn generates a list of books for you to read found here on your personal collection dashboard. Right now I'm showing all books, including fiction and nonfiction. But I can sort my results by clicking on these tabs and look at fiction only, nonfiction only, or graphic novels only. Then I'm going to choose the topic that I want to read about, and I want to read about Dracula today. Once you click on that button, you will get a summary of the story and reviews. You could also decide to take a look at more books like this. It will bring you back to that first screen, and maybe I want to take a look at Frankenstein instead of Dracula. Yes, I definitely want to read Frankenstein. So I'm going to click on the Read Now button. If I decide I want to read it later, I can also add it to my list. The books that are in my list will be shown here when you click on this button. You can go back to it at a later time by clicking on All Books and going back to the main menu of your personal collection. Today I want to read about money. And I'm going to brush up on my counting money skills and go ahead and click on Read Now. And that's how you start the reading of your book.
By M.W.